Hey there, I just got this awesome trading card set in the mail and wanted to show it off. It's called The Ones That Got Away, Designs by Larry Wood. Now if you don't know who Larry Wood is, he was a Hot Wheels designer for 50 years and designed some of the brand's most iconic models. Now even though hundreds of his designs were made into Hot Wheels, there were some that never made it to production. And that's what this set is. For the first time, we're getting to see a lot of these designs that Larry wanted to turn into Hot Wheels cars, but for one reason or another, never had the opportunity. A set of 10 super high quality cards. Look at how glossy they are. Crisp, sharp edges and corners. Beautiful artwork. Gotta say, this is a really cool thing to have in a Hot Wheels collection. Something extremely unique with a lot of history behind it. Stories on the back of the cards of how Larry came up with the designs and some of the special features that they would have had if they had been turned into Hot Wheels cars. It's such a cool collection. I was super excited to get this when I heard it was coming out, and it did not disappoint. There's only 6,000 being made, so don't wait too long to order one for yourself.